In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up my NinjaTrader day trading charts. By the end, you'll have a fast-loading intraday NinjaTrader chart with your instrument, time frame, appearance, and indicators configured, and saved as a reusable template. First, open a new chart. From the NinjaTrader Control Center, go to the top menu, click New, then select Chart. This opens the chart setup window so you can choose what to display. Next, select your instrument. In the instrument field, either pick from your instrument lists or start typing the symbol. For example, type ES03-26 for the E-mini S and P500 futures with the current contract month. As you type, NinjaTrader will suggest matches. Click the correct instrument to select it. Now configure the data series properties for your day trading chart. In the same window, find the type setting. Choose tick, minute, or range based on how you trade. For example, choose minute for time-based candles like a 5-minute chart, tick for a trade count chart such as a 2000 tick chart, or range if you prefer fixed price movement bars. Right below type, set value to define the interval magnitude. If you chose minute, type 5 to make a 5-minute chart. If you chose tick, type 2000 for a 2000 tick chart. Then set days to load. For intraday trading, use 1 to 5 days to keep the chart responsive and loading quickly. Fewer days load faster, which helps when you're opening multiple charts. Once those fields look correct, confirm the settings to open the chart. With the chart open, customize the appearance so it's easy to read at a glance. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Properties. Here, you can adjust the background and grid line colors, switch between candle and bar styles, and refine how price markers and axes look. If you use dark backgrounds, choose contrasting candle up and down colors. If you use a light background, do the same in reverse so price action stands out clearly. Keep grid lines subtle but visible enough to help you align price and time. When you're happy with the look, apply the changes and close the Properties window. Next, add your trading indicators. Right-click on the chart and choose Indicators. In the Indicators list, select the studies you use for day trading. Common choices include VWAP for intraday value tracking and moving averages for trend direction and dynamic support or resistance. After selecting an indicator, use the panel on the right to set inputs like period length, session handling, or styling such as line color and thickness. Add as many indicators as you need for your strategy while keeping the chart clean and readable. When everything is set, click Apply to Preview, then OK to add them to the chart. Finally, save this setup as a template so you can apply it to future charts in one click. Right-click on the chart, go to Templates, then choose Save As. Give the template a clear, descriptive name that reflects the instrument type and time frame, something like Futures 5-minute VWAPMA or 2000 tick clean. Save it. From now on, when you open a new chart, you can load this template from the same Templates menu to instantly apply the same appearance and indicators to any instrument. At this point, your NinjaTrader day trading chart is set up, optimized for fast intraday loading, styled for clarity, equipped with your chosen indicators, and saved as a template for repeat use. The task is complete and ready for trading. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.